6 health benefits you will feel immediately if you drink warm water each day. Drinking a cup of warm water on an empty stomach is a perfect alternative if we do not tolerate lemon in the early hours of the morning. It will help us to purify toxins. Drinking warm water on an empty stomach is a healthy and simple practice that is worth introducing into your daily routines. Something so easy brings multiple benefits and no side effects. Moreover, if you are one of those people to whom drinking a glass of warm lemon water seems strong and your stomach does not just assimilate as expected, do not hesitate to use a cup with warm water only. Do not miss these 6 good reasons why it is worth starting this healthy habit. Go ahead and try it for at least 15 days. It helps you lose weight. By itself, drinking warm water will not allow you to lose those extra pounds. It is a mediator, a healthy and great way to promote, along with a proper diet, the purification of fats and regulate your weight. Warm water speeds up your metabolism. It helps to purify toxins, improve digestions, fight constipation. By improving processes as basic as these, you take care of your body balance, something infallible that, always complemented with a good diet and some exercise, allows you to improve your figure. It treats cramps and other pains. Surely you also have those annoying menstrual cramps that are concentrated in the abdomen and belly. You only find relief while sitting, and the discomfort can be so intense that it even prevents you from living a normal life. Sometimes, something as simple as taking something hot acts as a fantastic mild sedative that is worth trying. Do not hesitate to drink hot water in a cup, and drink small sips to get relief. Hot water relaxes the muscles of the stomach and thereby relieves pain. However, warm water is not only beneficial for treating menstrual cramps, but for all types of cramps. Drinking hot water improves your digestion. Something worth taking into account is the fact that drinking water while eating is not recommended. When you do this, food mixed with water comes to your stomach, with which you overload its functions. It is best to drink a glass of water before eating, and if it is warm or hot, it's much better. You purify your intestine and your stomach itself, preparing it for the reception of food and also facilitate the proper absorption of nutrients. It fights premature aging. It may surprise you if we tell you that drinking warm water fights premature aging. As we have indicated to you at the beginning, this remedy is a complement to introduce in your daily routines to favor your health. Drinking water releases toxins from the body, and an organism free of bacteria or harmful elements that make you sick can fight better against free radicals that favor premature aging. Also, think that your skin needs a correct inner hydration to be elastic and toned. Warm water, unlike normal or cold water, further enhances this hydration by improving perspiration and the effective elimination of toxins. It improves blood circulation. Drinking a glass of warm water stimulates the elimination of fat deposits from the body, along with deposits that affect the nervous system. Thanks to this, it is possible to eliminate the toxins that circulate throughout the body, improving circulation and cleansing the blood. By having relaxing properties, warm water helps to relax the muscles and stimulates blood flow, balancing the nervous system and reducing stress. Warm water helps eliminate toxins that impact the level of the nervous system, influencing the mental state and emotions. A good way to improve the health of your nervous system is to drink hot water on an empty stomach. That first moment of the morning is always the best because your stomach is more receptive. If you are feeling stressed lately, we suggest you try drinking warm water to calm down and reduce your stress levels. Research studies show that drinking a hot beverage, such as a cup of warm water, improves the function of the central nervous system, which can, ultimately, lower your stress levels and reduce anxiety. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.